Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to remove an admin from your Google Ads account. Whether you're managing team changes or simply need to revoke someone's access for security reasons, this process is quick and straightforward. Let's walk through it step by step. First, open your web browser and head over to ads.google.com. Once you're there, log into your Google Ads account using your credentials. After signing in, you'll land on your Google Ads dashboard where all your campaign management tools are located. Now, turn your attention to the left side of the screen where you'll find the navigation menu. Look for the option labeled Admin and click on it. This section is your control center for managing who has access to your account and what level of permissions they hold. After clicking on Admin, the menu will expand to reveal several additional options. From this expanded menu, look for Access and Security and click on it. This is where you'll manage all user permissions and administrative access for your Google Ads account. It's an important area because it controls who can view, edit, or manage your advertising campaigns and budget. Once you're in the Access and Security section, you'll notice a blue plus icon near the top of the page. Go ahead and click on it. This will direct you to the Invite Others to Access section, which is typically used for adding new users to your account. However, we're here to remove someone, so you'll need to scroll down to the bottom of this page. As you scroll, you'll see a comprehensive list of all the admins currently associated with your account. This list displays each user's name, email address, and their level of access. Now, look at the Actions column on the right side of the list. Here you'll find management options for each admin. Locate the specific admin you wish to remove from your account. Once you've found them, click on the Remove Access button next to their name. This action will immediately revoke their administrative privileges and remove them from your Google Ads account. They'll no longer be able to view or manage any aspect of your campaigns. And that's it. You've successfully removed an admin from your Google Ads account. This ensures your account security remains tight and only authorized personnel have access to your advertising data. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.